Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. In today's video, we're going to talk about point-in-time recovery for a pluggable database. Let's get started without wasting any time. Again, I'm connecting to our target database using the Aroman utility, okay? And since we're talking about pluggable database, we have to be very specific with our commands. So for that, I'll issue the command backup database or ROCL PDB. That's the pluggable database, okay? And then I'll include the archive logs. So this will take some time. Okay, as you can see, the backup is done. Now let's go to our SQL developer. We are connected as the HRO user, as you can see. And we want to do some transactions, okay? The first thing we want to do is to create a table. So for that, I'll execute this statement, create table. You can see table has been created. And then let me insert 4 records and commit the records. Commit complete. Now, the next thing I want to do again is to select the timestamp. Okay, so for that, I'll issue this statement, select to car, sysdate, then give the value from dual. Okay, so again, let me copy this and then paste somewhere because we'll be recovering the database, to this time. Now remember, we inserted 4 records before this timestamp. Now let's insert another record. So if I insert this record, you see 1 row inserted. Now, if we select all the records from the table, test_PITR3, you can see we have 5 records, okay? Now, we want to try to recover the database to this timestamp. So what will I do? Let me quickly close this. I'll copy this timestamp and then I'll paste it in our run block where you have the set until time, okay? Because that's where we want to recover the database to. So the next thing I want to try to do is to take this run block, copy, and then go to our server and paste it in our Aroman terminal. Now, one of the things you will observe is that this run block will be hanging. It will not execute immediately. Why? Because the user is still connected. So we'll come here and then disconnect the user. Do not save any changes. And then you see now that the user has been disconnected, that this run block will start to execute one after another. Okay, you can see that the recovery is complete. Now, let's go back to our SQL developer. We're still logged on as the HRO user. Now, if we try to select everything from that table, you observe that we have just 4 records, but we had inserted up to the 5th record. But because we recovered the database to a certain point in time before we inserted the 5th record, that's why we're having just 4 records now. So guys, again, I want to say congratulations. You can now perform backup and recovery of your container database and pluggable database. Now, these are not all the scenarios that there is to backup and recovery. As a matter of fact, I have a complete course on database backup and recovery. In fact, an advanced course. But this course is a paid course. It is not free. And on demand, I would provide the course to you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was interesting to you. If it was, please like it and share it widely. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss out when I upload another valuable content. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.